she said, use it, make a profile. I said, okay, all right then, no problem. Then when I realized, I said, what is woman you have in common? Because I couldn't believe a woman, you're too blood clot ugly. Stop calling me friend, big dirty stinking ear. Me like blood clot you at the end of the day, you did talking Babylee, this Babylee. You ever see I address you? I address you because you're saying I'm dead. I'm alive, bitch. What the fuck you don't go away and leave Tanya? I'm taking, curse me. It's me who wrote the picture, isn't it? And at the same time, it was Puss who gave me the picture. So what you did talking about, if I know you don't like Tanya because anytime Tanya come and address you, like Tanya come with facts. Things that you're doing, she call you out. So Tanya don't make up lies about people. Me and Tanya is friends for all over the years. I've been friends. I'm not a person that comes on live or that for months I've been away on my holiday. I've been back today. But woman, you're too ugly.
God.
Fucking hell. What an it you don't understand that it was me and Puss who took your picture, not Tanya or Amanda. You want someone to cuss me?
Excellent.
I take the blame for that. I was wrong, yeah, because I was there thinking like I love Puss at the time. I was there like someone is bringing down my friend. Fuck you! You're not going to do that. When she explained all of that to me, it was Puss who gave me your picture. When Tanya and Fretdem find out about all of that, they said, "What the fuck?"
Yeah, and
she gave it to me.
She said, "Babylee dead." I don't know where she get that from. Them full of fake news.
Exactly. Tanya, as I say, you're too blood clot. You make me a custom Jamaica, you're too ugly, hard to look at. I've never came out and tried to address you. Me not custom people. You do all kind of shit that, I am fat, I'm this, I am that. Girl, you don't know me. You do not know me. Woman, you're too ugly. Yep. And say,
so just show me that.
Tanya, I'm so sorry that
send me the
accident done about you and your kids.
Nah, when we press by it now, I say go live. Send me the ad. Send me and see if it come up. I don't know why it now.
People, I just want you to all know that when I took the picture that Puss gave to me,
yeah,
I never knew it was that woman. But I knew after, like a couple months after I find out, and I still was running with it. Because at the time, I really loved Puss at the time. Someone disrespecting my friend. I'm defending my friend. Stuff like that. Tanya have no idea about the picture.
Exactly.
Tanya or Fretdem have no. When firstly, is like the love I had for Fretdem at the time. Puss would call me. Puss would call me and said somebody rub out that person under the comment section, and I would say, okay, don't worry about that. That's done. I have message that I can put out. Puss used to say to me, cuss this person. I used to do it. Then she turned around and flipped the script, say it's Tanya, when she knew that it was
wasn't even over whose face when you use the woman's face, so you know
exactly.
all in this. And
Ape keeps saying, oh, Tanya run with my face. Stop saying that, bitch. You know well and know it's Babylee. You well and fucking know it's Babylee. But the only reason that you're saying Tanya is because you want to keep fucking relevant. Keep it a buck. You want to fucking stay relevant, and you're not telling the people them that it was Babylee that ran with your face, not Tanya. You're using Tanya's name to get on fucking Instagram, bitch.
But they write that song. Oh, you're the funny. Yeah.
This dog shit.
She know I don't mean. But because she doesn't want justify herself. She don't want to come out thinking bitch. You know who come with your blood clot? Dirty woman. I mean, I know her. Remember, I mean, I know this blood clot. Parasite, old, dirty, stinky, nasty, dirty woman. You over there come talk about people there that your pussy blood clot then. Your pussy when I have no blood clot, wow.
Wait, but hold on. Where the fuck she get that? Where the fuck
Do you remember what she was saying about Chin's baby father? And look, within a week, her fucking baby father got the same. He died the same fucking way. Yeah? Don't draw down fucking death on nobody, bitch. Nobody over here. We're all covered on the blood of Jesus.
Yeah, all that shit.
Amen. So dirty dog.
You saw love sandals look like when alligator bubble up on a blood clot water. Woman, you ugly look at them.
Oh, alligator bubble up on the water.
Water. Right?
Let the sound for me.
And then you see the bubbles on the top of the water.
Don't fuck me up.
Fucking ugly woman.
Hard to look fun. Eh?
Okay, ugly man. Jeez.
You want to see she put up one picture with her hairstyle,
hey,
do
you know what got me?
Nothing don't look
you
fucking
know what?
good.
No. Is you know when we look at some, you ever see the ear? The little mummy ear, the little like $5 African ear set on her head. And this the woman look like when pig a ball to blood like they move like
the mama wig, the mama wig or wherever you call
the movie wig, yes. With the hey, you know, I blew up a picture for her a long time ago with the mouth long. You see that picture with the mouth long? It was me who did it, you know. The picture long out the mouth extra. You know, listen, woman, you know me. Don't leave me alone, you know. Hey, the woman more long enough, I'm just go find my up and just long out the woman more.
She's fucking ugly to her. I wish she zoom in the blood clot camera on her face, but she like, don't be hubby me bumbo. You fucking fright night.
You know what I hate about Puss? Puss watch. She knew that it was me and her who did it. Yes, you know, at the time when she gave it to me, she said, and I asked her, I said, who is this person? And she sent me the she said she never knew how to send me the link. She said, never ask stuff to send it there. I said, you know, in a man's voice, in it. So I like, okay, send it to me. So I said the woman cursing out. I never knew about women cursing. I said, what the fuck is cursing my friend? No, Puss. We're gonna deal with that here. You said the woman look, and it was Puss who came to me with love Sanders, not Fretdem, not Tanya, because I knew nothing about this woman. Was Puss. Babylee, more hear about that woman that's a man. Like about it in the comment section. I coughed the Rass.
Listen to me.
Puss knew that the woman was cursing her about all situations.
Listen to me, dirty pussy girl. You know, Anna Tanya use your name dog shit. Yeah, Babylee tell us she use your name. You know that dog stink pussy girl. Stop calling up Tanya name. We don't see you. Tanya now make a live. I call your name drunk crow. Yo, me just sorry say Canada body for them now what me say to the blood clot August, you know. And when August coming out, them only I take people who fully blood clot vaccinated, you know. Because girl,
Exactly.
you know the piece of pressure when me have here, you know. You know the blood clot pressure when me have because you think say me the pound one bag of blood clot chattings. You don't know who the fuck you're dealing with. Bitch, you don't know who the fuck you deal with a 10 blood clot hours to drive. Come a blood clot Canada. Trust and believe it. All me need is one driver with me and that's it. And me a come and me a sit down right in front of your house pussy wall. And the premeditation me have me at the prison for the rest of my life. Motherfucker electric chair them I got blood clot give me. Cause when the judge I got here said me drive from New York go all the way back Canada and nothing no coming in my mind except it change. And me come and me got the blood clot gas station and buy a buckle and pull up some blood clot by $3 water gas. We are going to full up the buckle and start sprinkle upon your door, upon your blood clot window. Go around the blood clot house and then set that a blood clot for you. I think said me, ever in life. Well, you don't know who you are dealing with, man. You say you don't know. Me say me want to. That's why I want to catch one of uno. To show the world what the blood clot me have in store for uno that never fuck with me again or nobody will be associated with. But because me can't catch enough to do the things then to make uno know say me no depend no bag of chatting. Uno do what the blood clot you want to do. True, no man. Too much.
She's so annoying. The way she keeps saying it to try to rub in the people them head to make the people them believe. Bitch, you have to come with facts. Come with fucking facts. Because everything you talk is fucking is fiction. Yeah? Everything you say is fucking made up fucking story.
Yeah, with our dirty blood clot. Hello, at the pub near we upon the pub.
Yes, we're waiting on the pub.
How come you're a business woman and you claim to say people illiterate and all of these things? Why you not advertising your pub? Go on Facebook and say the body them attack, them throw them business in it. You see the dirty man when he might throw your man is a talk about dirty cheap merch. In merch. Dirty man here. But every time the dirty man attack, in the fan life, all him talk about in merch. You see this other girl upon life, she talk about her belly band. Pussy where you talk about dirty drunk girl. August, you say your pub are open. August is just around the corner. How come you're not advertising it so people can come out, hey, go suck your blood clot, mother, dirty, stinking, nasty, or come off of the blood clot friend name. Come off of Amanda back.
Exactly.
Leg off of a blood clot shirt, drunk or parsley.
And then she'll say, oh, it's only me. Me one take on them. No, bitch, you use fucking puss to fucking, as a so-called clique and clan, like you say. At the end of the day, you were with Puss and them. Don't make it seem like you're there by yourself and you try to. You can't rub us, bitch. And you would never ever be able to fucking rub us. You could report until your blood clot dead. Mina business.
Please,
at the end of the day,
alone, man.
We don't give a fuck. Leave people alone. Stop bothering people and their kids. Just fucking leave us. Period. Do your own shit, lady. Everybody has their platform to do their own stuff. Leave us alone. Don't call our name. Don't drop words.
The way the woman love mix up. She stopped put my cooking her dog food. Oh, dog food. Because I went into war. I want internet war with people what she don't know.
Exactly.
But I know that. You know what, but me the other day, somebody sent me a video. Or the woman said she gonna beat with her kids. Oh, you're gonna beat with the kids, them and you put them on dress. And you said that's what, hey, dirty blood clot, bush drunk crow. If you put them after the God beat, you put them supposed to see that blood clot. We are them a little picnic.
Right.
And them supposed to have a little cover up. Nobody now look on them. Your big old delay, the stretch out ugly blood clot duckling pity them where you have. Or if you carry your pity them Ghana beach. And you can't wear the dress to go in the water. You have to take so all you say them ask you for God beach. Them never beach ready. Remember animal them so them never beach ready yet. And you have a cat animal
Exactly.
and you send up a video just to show you claim that you're a fucking mom, but your children ask you to go to the blood clot beach and the live Instagram with your 5, 10 to 20 people, maybe the most, is the fucking most important thing than taking your kids to the fucking beach. Huh?
Right? Everything is
and then
everything
we
is
don't
for
carry our kids
Instagram.
out. We're not frightened. We not have to come online. Sometimes we just come online and put things for only to watch and see and have no heart to pump. Bitches, don't forget, Fretdem and the SWAT team is you bitches clock. You bitch always gotta watch us to know what fucking time is it, ho. When you come lava the blood clot.
She wanna live like the fucking white people and not ready. She not fucking ready yet.
But she can't.
She can't. Me a big money. Big money where, bitch? Big money where? You don't have a fucking cent to save your life. Fuck out of here, ho. Well, you wear mama wig. A fucking mama wig type of the blood clot head. Can't even wear a wig blood clot properly.
The girl say, oh, me see her in her mama wig.
Right?
Go bite.
Oh my God.
Oh, and Missy Britney a show, cause I never see it. And she and Britney a argue and Britney show. Dirty woman. Me throw down the mama wig. Me can't wear it.
Right.
But all of the ages a girl was saying, she said, if a girl come, make she cut it down. When she use razor comb and shave it down. You tell her, you ain't tell me in that area there. Exactly, the policy, see where to be. That is thinking nasty girl. But so she have a dress and then she dep on the live. You want to see the blood clot gorilla in her glasses too. I have on a black shirt with a crossover bag. Dirty woman, me still a wait on the blood clot Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, where's the Louis Vuitton? Where the fuck is the Louis Vuitton? We don't want to see the little shabby fucking ugly person from 1990. But we don't want to see those. We want to see the Louis Vuitton and the fucking Chanel. All of the name brand them where your blood clot mentioned. Bitch, if it wasn't for us that mentioned those shit and tell you about those name brand, you wouldn't have the nerve to even come bring them up on fucking live. Because you don't know them name brand there. The only time you know those name brand is when you went in the people them blood clot house. Cause see them. You went in the people them house and video with your red eye. Your fucking eye red. You have to go to the people in closet. Can you imagine? Anyhow, that was my house. Bitch, I would beat you for going in my closet. You're fucking bright.
So cool, woman. Me still wait on the Louis bag where you're sure. Oh, come on. Me still want to see that carry the Louis bag over the blood clot, New York. Dirty woman. Man, rotten down a town, blood clot, rotten that no old woman. Me still wait on the Louis bag. Girl, me still wait.
She not fly.
Me still wait. Me still wait. Me want to wear my Louis bag too. Come on, see the bag. Me want to wear, see the thing. Me want to wear the Louis bag. Them me don't wear around already. Lady, me I wait for you. Me now wear this answer till you're ready. Where you are there, and when you're ready, let me know.
She can't show the Louis bag.
Never.
Our coach.
Blood clot.
The coach bag was a fucking traveling bag. Where the fuck you going with coach
bag?
Bag?
So when you're traveling, go dirty woman.
Travel, make we see. Go and go travel, make we see. Bring your kids them to Jamaica, bitch. Bring them somewhere. You know you want to go to Jamaica. Because that's where your ass is from. Dog shit. Well, you from Canada. Fuck out of here.
Broke, yeah, I'm broke.
Broke like dog. Yeah?
We can only find the basic.
Exactly.
And every
don't
day
fucking kill me.
Our father gather rat to meet them. That's why chef for up and cook. You know, chef from the custard and tell her about the rat meat. She not sure.
What's for that?
Dirty woman. I would have blood clot.
Fretdem, where was the monkey was on your shoulder? That was funny as fuck.
Yeah.
Fretdem said, let go off of it.
Let go my blood clot shirt, dirty bitch. Pass it.
Fretdem.
Pass in a drunk crowd. More watch the blood clot. Pass it. Pass it.
Did I see the video with
pass it.
with Ratty about post. I watched it 3 times. No?
You know who
Which
him
video?
Which
Which video,
Palmer? Baby dead. Are your pussy dead? Pussy dead. Every night you claim that you have a man. Remember, you used to come out and say about Fretdem. You say you have a husband and you always depend life. So now how come you have a husband and you depend life? I didn't like
exactly.
Lady, me away for you to come out to the blood clot the way. Lady, come on.
Yeah, show the Louis,
come
show
out
the fucking...
Lady, come on,
show
I
the
said I'm for
Chanel.
you.
I want to see this blood clot pub. Show me the pub. And show me the ownership, bitch. Show me the ownership.
No! Remember, she never knows that daddy that work here, because what she did that do, what she was doing was what you call it. What she that do? She that used to go around and clean the people in the restaurant because she a cleaner.
Yes.
Exactly.
And tape the people in blood clot stuff like a PR1. Damn Jankuno. Fucking rat bat. But yeah, she need to leave fucking Babylee name alone, but she dead. Stop with death pan blood clot people, bitch. Are you for dead? Where? No, we not dead. No time soon. Fuck out of here. You love with death pan people.
With death pan people, she alright, because she no must name God for one give people what they deserve.
Right? And our blood clot. That's how our blood clot
but listen, how she come up with that? How she come up with that fake story?
Dead. So therefore she feel like so because she are pussy dead. Everybody like dead. See, and the look at a sad dirty woman over there. So me never know so Tanya in a competition. The woman said she now leave the woman brother and so till the woman leave her man. Kiss me blood clot lady. You go come like some single over here. But me want know from selfish the blood clot. Everybody only know say if pussy that talk to you go. Should I did a video I did hear you go
exactly.
Yeah. Know. So,
right.
We don't listen to the blood clot, mad bumbo clot, yeah. Because I want
to not hear from him.
Oh, would you be say, me, when you left, you go.
You left rallying.
Me left rallying when, like, that makes sense? Like,
she said anytime you left rallying, whether it's 10, 20 years, 30 years,
you go
then she will left you go.
She married you go in her own name. When immigration them cancel, girl, I'm gonna tell you, I don't have nothing to say, cause I just know where you're gonna get. Just know, say, any day soon. Now, people, when you say she go, a prison. When we introduce her to you, cause remember, I know introduce her to you, but the me, you know. And you go down, I think you go down. Let me see. August, the last part of August, you go down. So, I she married him before that. So, she got married him in a prison in the name, the immigration, they turn her back up when she fly go down. Who does that? Who does those stuff?
Right.
And then you have the cheat for them on social media. What arguing people? Them say when you live in a glass house, no fit
right.
Post, Rally no why you, Rally who the fuck you. Stop coming be a father name. Yeah?
Them always call good girl name.
Him family them don't like me. Me not fuck him sister, him woman, none of him family. But I don't give a fuck.
Exactly.
Yeah? Stop talk about my in-law them.
Talk about her. She needs to talk about her and her
relationship is a joke.
What's fucking Tanya? Everybody know that. It's a fucking joke.
People, yeah, when woman say, so when I come out and I tell you say, when me introduce her to you go, me honor the golden blood clot key. Who open me the safe. Cause me are running down much ears. What me gonna left my baby father for? Unless him do something bad. Oh, when I left Rally, me left you go. Yeah, you gonna there?
Yeah, but she's making it seem as if it's like tit for tat, like say you're a competition with her. Like what the fuck?
Exactly. Where is you go?
I don't get that.
Kevin and his wife block you. Yo, people. Yo, me never see this in my whole entire life.
Me neither.
Yo, the girl I ring off the people them phone. She use a whole lot of people them number. Move your dirty blood clot. You're ugly like me. Your blood clot, ugly like me. Even though yes, my brother.
Is Puss and Love Sanders are sisters? Is that true? Is Puss and Love Sanders related? Is that true? That's what I heard.
Both of them are monkey, probably. Who knows? Both of them are in the girl and ear family.
Someone said they're cousins. Is that true?
I don't even know, yeah, but I don't think so. Maybe. They could have cousin come up by animal and animal. Yeah, they close. Right?
Oh. Okay, they family.
Meanwhile, yesterday my baby radiator me enjoy like all day.
Right.
Hi boy.
Move it up.
Tell them about yesterday was such a happy moment. My daughter all of you scrub me at the graduation. Mom, you behave like I said, listen, I never get the opportunity to finish my schooling and then, graduate, enough young girl drop out of secondary school, then the graduate, then don't have a strong, backative parent, supportive, to push them. So me, I have to give myself a blood clot A-star. Yeah.
Of course. But Tanya, you
can see you step on the internet is relevant. I don't give a fuck. That now stop me and my kids them from eat sleep. You understand?
Me too.
That's what it was social media. Somebody go call a lady when name Lady Frenchie. Come on, say something to her. I want to tell her come suck up my body or I want to say something to her cause no, this is what I want. Lady Frenchie black car so she can't come by your page, yeah. That's what I do. That's why I'm always going to come from my sister page and not found the post in my boy. I'm a bandit, I'm a cement up on a nasty blood clot. Don't reply. I'm a bandit up on a nasty. On a bias. Because, alright, she go up and push live Monday. Today Thursday. From Monday, me not up on the live and the woman still up on the live. Right? When she go and push live, the ear with Manda rally name a write up. Why she never point it out and say, post, you have the ear for your page, a write up, all type of things about Tanya and her kids. Using Tanya pitney name and Tanya husband name. No, you couldn't tell her that though.
Right.
But you want to compare to the finger and act like say, I'm me a trouble her, I'm not trouble her. Yeah, let me trouble dirty French, dirty pussy French. Let me tell you something. You see, when you want to go up and lie, don't sound biased. You sound like a agony and shit. Me say, me want to rub out your dirty blood clot. Hold on, sister. Sister, well, I'm going to give her 2 minutes of fame now. Me do want to rub out your dirty blood clot. Let me tell you something, bitch. If you want to talk, that feels bad. You tell them. Dirty blood clot, drunk. You have to go over there and say, post. You cannot tell a sibling not to speak to them siblings. You sound dumb, you sound uneducated, you sound like a blood clot shoes bottom when I go. No, wait. Lady Frenchie, you is not a lady, you is a drunker. Drunker Frenchie, your blood clot name. British Frenchie, me go call you, because them have a dirty USA French, so me call you. Dirty blood clot Frenchie from the UK. Go and suck out your blood clot, mother. When put up your talk, you should have said, if you are a mom, or if you're a grandmother, or if you are anything that means anything in the world, or an auntie, you should have said, post. You're there on the woman, pity them. You're there on the woman, pity them. What the woman pity them do? When it's asked and done, you cannot stop a sibling from speaking about their siblings. You cannot stop the lady from talking about her belly pain. Just suck out your blood clot, mother. Exactly. About Tanya page. You that come tell Tanya the same thing. Lady, me that wait for you. Lady, me say me strip down to me birthday blood clot suit. Me that wait for you. Because when me don't skin up the blood clot, good to you. My pussy a rich world more than a queen one. Remember me blood clot to that I Fretdem was waiting for you. Who is this page? Big up, me bless. We don't want you big up me bless. We don't want nobody over your type and say, oh, the blood clot. You be so be the case for join your own life. Dirty lady French, exactly. You hate the dirty blood clot. You go over there, you don't make no sense. You come like 0 plus 0 is 0. Move your dirty blood clot. You never 1 plus 1 to give you to you 0 plus 0. You understand? 0 plus 0. Dirty
Who's
woman.
add me
You
now?
don't have no sense.
I don't know that friend.
Who is? Tanya is the one that make you know her brother. When it started and done, she come from the same sperm and the same pussy them come out, the same mother, same father. And when you go do the things, them and do the things, them. Hold on, sister. It's sucking, madam.
Sister, are the Frenchy, up Frenchy.
It's probably
me not care for our Frenchy.
Yeah,
but black card, dirty place. When you come over here,
you don't.
Any place me see you come over here, make me hurry for black.
You don't even know if it's her.
We not care at who.
Probably all the ear for pretend.
Yeah, the dirty ear.
And then blood clot she come over and some talk shit from we like, fuck that shit. Fuck that. I don't fucking know.
You understand? Go from here. You understand? When you know no blood clot sense, and no, you dirty pussy cake, let me give it to you now. You're a dog shit. Remember, all you bitches was the same bitches. They used to talk about how Fretdem. You have a married man. You married. You have an old man. Oh, you always on live. Let me tell you something. Yesterday, I said I got a live. I messaged the day before, whenever that said you say you just come from work. How you just come from work and the first thing you think to do is to go online with a non-progressive blood clot element. I don't know blood clot, baby alligator. Keiko, remember, your DNA is dead. You will never have a grandchild. You will never have a great-grandchild. You will never have nothing. All of your daughter pussy chafe up and look like when somebody jump off a bike and the whole of them skin scratch up. Move your dirty blood clot. What you need to, let me show you how you use a dummy. Keiko, you have an ears, right? You could hear, but you can't, you don't listen. Everybody that have an ear, they could hear, but if you don't, it's not all the time everybody listen. Just like everybody have an eyes, you know, none of them can blood clot see, but you need to start listening, not because you have an ear. Listen. When push over there, notice. Push down to tell you, say, you know to talk about this and you know to talk about that, right? But she talk about everybody. You sit down there, you have a blood clot. You have to understand,
exactly.
Push don't have a life. Push have to come up. Push. Let me tell you something. You know you're not supposed to be around Orico. And like me tell Tanya, me I go tell you. Tanya, sit down in the background and fix our blood clot. Me not go like Push will love when you come look alive, look a bit. You wanna know why? Because the video them we have it when we do Orico and everything. So me like them video there when you come live. All the time when you come live, just keep on showing Orico and you dirty pussy Madonna, you have a blood clot, sorry, because you know she not supposed to be around Orico. Dirty pussy push her when you move. Remember, Orico Africa school, the little dirty big head waterhead boy, Africa blood clot school. So therefore, we will find him. And guess what? ACSR, Child Protective Service, whoever you call it over there, is on your trail. Suppose we now have no more time for you after today. That's it. Now, you, nothing lady Frenchy, you don't have no sense. Don't try to talk to nobody and tell nobody nothing when you don't even know what the fuck you're talking about. While you're trying to make a statement or a sentence, you're laughing at the same time. That doesn't make sense. That's why the bitch doesn't take you serious.
They are hypocrites.
Come talk about say, but if them call me name, you ever come back on live. You have to say, listen, they are allowed to call the man name. That's their relative, that's their family. You cannot stop somebody from calling name. Post. How would it sound that somebody's going to come over there and tell you not to call Orico name, the waterhead blood clot people name? And make me blood clot tell you something, you go. Tanya is your sister. Tanya is my friend. I don't like you. I don't respect you. But I want you to know one blood clot thing. I want you to know one blood clot thing. Right? Come over the live. Come over the live. Come over the live. Come over the live. Tanya live. Come over the live. Yeah. So anyway now, when I was saying with that now, where you just like yeah, do that you go. Let me tell you something. Me and Tanya are friends. Me and you are no friend. You go, you come talk about me, you don't like me. Dirty stinking. No, you gonna never say so Fretdem. You gonna do what you're
He doesn't know you. Right, she's the one that put it in his.
Remember you talk to you going up. He never said that. I see it her time. Her time said it come now when you got to talk to this side now. Me make you a talk to Auntie Paulette you. So here I know. I didn't want to name Fretdem. You could hear her when she tell you go. And you gonna know what she talk about because Yugo doesn't know none of my friends.
Swatting.
Even though I big up yourself too, even though all the one I was on before we are talking, if don't know one person, him can pinpoint and say, I know that voice and it's Auntie Paulette because Auntie Paulette speak to Yugo every day. Every day. I don't want to speak to Yugo. I don't talk to Yugo. He's there, everybody talking, but I don't want to talk to Yugo. Auntie Paulette do the most talking. Auntie Paulette have him have a phone too. Yes, him have a phone. So
yeah, because if you have a phone when you take what you never want him have.
Remember the blood clot lie. Never say to Fretdem. You can't call you back and listen to it. Upset to upset.
Dirty big body post. Dirty big body blood clot post. You need to go back to the UK. You need to go get some umbrella pad. I'm going to rub down tough and blood clot hardy and the big
like you can't you control your blood clot.
You go down post.
But you want to control my brother.
Sister Holland, sister, I'm going to send my picture to you. And no, I'm going to send my picture to Black and say, ask you go say if you want, if you like that girl. And I bet you any blood clot minute, you go say who that girl, and want that girl. You know,
some of them kind of, you could buy that man.
Yes, man friend, little and petite.
You was just around you because you tell him that you was going to bring him to America. And
I married him, no. She married him in the name she not supposed to use because that name did marry to a man over here for business. So that's a bigamy. Right? She tell you go she have 10 taxis on the road. She have 6 houses in the UK and she have 25 houses at Jamaica plus how much land, how much this, how much business. And when so him thinks him a marry this rich woman as him say and make him end up in a situation, yes.
Right.
Because for you look from that big dirty alligator dirt alert they come up prison. For you look for that foot, you know so the woman stinks.
Right.
No sir.
But just looking at her period, you could tell she on nothing. Broke that dog.
Yeah, Joawar.
One drawer, I can't see you. When you comment down, I can't see the comment.
I can't see the comment. My comment
she
stopped too.
You going at the fake. Well, I wouldn't say the name fake. But that was the name she gets her first status in. When she went down the late part of 2017, trying to come back 2018, they turned her back at the airport and cancel our resident charge. She never tell me why. She only say her sister them cross her up. Otherwise, I don't know. But that's the name. She went to prison and married Hugo in. The name that she's not using. Right?
Oh, so I can't see the light. I can't see the comment there.
Come up and come back.
Oh, no, me I see them now. Yeah. With that dirty, stinking, nasty say, I want me that cuss the well. Let me tell you something, girl. Don't call me name to Hugo. Don't call me name to Hugo.
And she it's her time that Hugo attack to my friend them now. If put out her blood clot, say, I don't want to hear about Hugo eat Fretdem. Oh, you must eat Fretdem and you gonna know Fretdem.
He doesn't know Fretdem.
Girl, we not pay you no blood clot, man, because look how long you there Jamaica that cuss that call my name and you will never say a word about me.
Alright.
Juice me blood clot. You gonna go with me. If you must Fretdem, you gonna go to me.
You don't know nobody in
Fretdem.
I don't talk about me upon the girl, yeah. I thought you got the one person can identify
is
Paulette. Is Auntie Paulette because Auntie Paulette speak to Hugo without me. She have his number. So she call him and she and him speak. So when she depart, if they listen to it, Fretdem, she depart. You can't Fretdem, turn your friend Fretdem. You don't know Fretdem.
Exactly.
Like, you don't have no powers over you, go. So like, stupid. Stop. Stop. You kick them the shame of you. You're insane. Me, their graduation, each time I say, if you come talk about, you are going work with Raleigh family and mash up me and Raleigh. Like, how the fuck you going to do that? But
it is
always tell us that them girls out here will look for themselves and think to themselves pretty. Them always I say, yo, how come me can't find a man? And that's why everybody can hear puss no she bad mind. I come talk about say she now leave so will Raleigh leave. Why must Raleigh leave after you and the girl in the same category? Remember,
she make it seem she make it seem as Tanya's her mate.
What's mean to push up, people? How many children push up?
6.
And me have 6.
Right.
She said me breathe too much Raleigh. So we are there, who for breathe me?
Exactly, right?
Me don't get it, man. I don't understand.
She act like she's your matey, like you're her matey. What the
come
fuck?
on, me I beg you something, my chappy. Oh. So beat up. Me say if
Raleigh
you want
family
skin out,
does
no
hate her.
Yes,
Amanda.
It's
Raleigh family hate her like poison.
The mama hates you. Ya uko.
Yeah, they put serious accusations on him.
Raleigh little Raleigh niece. When lock you up in the room and batter you. She said, oh, don't worry, auntie. I will hold her. And when I hold her, watch me and her. You don't know who you have to play with. You send Uku for walk down the whole of Acme for find Raleigh mother. Then you just talk to the woman and I go say, oh, you and the woman talk long time and you have the woman number. Lies. All fucking lies.
Pure fucking lies.
Pure lies.
No, because she just want to be seen. And she feel like the people them was on the side. Remember who still away upon the bring down. Tanya, that's why I tell us, Tanya, I'm never blame you too, you know, because I tell us, stop answer animal. Me don't know since when you got a zoo. When you got a zoo, Tanya, leave the zoo alone. It's not for us. We are humans.
Right.
You don't know what she realize the pussy like say, Ape Sanders uglier than her, she don't want to argue. Push, remember, you know, when cheese did a beat and teach your blood clot, you know. You send money go get cheese, the cheese the beat and teach her when she not small island, you know. I want the blood clot, well, you don't want to argue with cheese. And that's what me want to ask you. Why you don't want to argue with cheese and woman to bury your blood clot? Why?
Exactly. Right?
You want to tell me to stop arguing with the drunk today.
Sister, I don't argue with that for Monday.
10 times.
And then the fake argument that they had, the fake cussing that they had on their page.
My brother is very unwell and basically he might try to please him family. Also, him want to heal because he still don't understand what happened, why it escalate and all this.
Right.
So, I don't want him come prove that me are leaving. I'm leaving him.
Him saying when he ready, my water.
Let go the man, Paul.
Yeah.
Let go Hugo Williams. Let go him.
She's trying to call everybody on the phone.
People them are for black
desperate.
They have to block her.
Yo, she desperate, yo.
They block her.
Fuck. And if no come my blood clot near my talk about me living on mother base. Now go stalk your mama. You can as soon as I said that I have a condo, you all of a sudden out the blue, you have a condo too.
But I know that's the question when me want to ask you, so me never know say condo have basement.
And that me said too.
I never know say condo, and she said,
me not answer. I laugh
fucking sick, yo, with this clowner, yo.
Everybody knows that if Pussy that talk to you, God, first thing she gonna do, record him and personal life. So,
right.
as I said,
I am leaving it to God.
Yo, you know, see how much time she play out the one voice note.
The one voice note. Because she don't have no more to play, hello. She don't have no blood clot more to play.
Exactly.
She don't have no more to play, the little dirty drunker. She don't have no more to play.
Yo, you guys just see how...
said, this is not good. No already. So guess what? I'm now going to dep on the phone and the people them who you're calling and mix up, them done because guess what? They know say you have them for life. And she got them
exactly.
Fucking idiot. When they send them over there, oh Jesus, me never even know say she have me for life. Look how she could have set up my life. Yeah, nobody on the blood clot idiot no more. Hello?
Yeah.
Who this?
I mean, let me tell you something, Tanya. I'm not respond to you. You send me some bad to yesterday, yeah? I'm a listen to them. I'm a listen to them. So, Tanya, I'm not big to come. I'm not between Tanya and Put. Me a try to tell Put to be done because it's not so good. Fretdem the one all about me now. So, I'm going to tell you something. Me alone walk, you know. Me don't walk with people. Me don't do team.
Tanya, put up on the speaker. You're right, yeah, you're right. Yeah, big pussy girl, me not walking a blood clot team. And me said, yeah, time I love you, and dirty woman. Nasty blood clot woman is another blood clot responsible. They will never go over the call the system here. Dirty blood clot girl. I want you to talk about. I want you to talk about.
You know upset we now? No, you know
stop your mother, quick. Move the dirty blood clot here, Frenchie. And me said, yeah, time I love you, go stop your mother. Nobody never asked you to suck on the mother. The deepest part of pussy, so.
I never said puss, look there. You have to stop it.
Somebody writing in the comments and me kill my damn father. Nobody even know my damn father.
Oh, because me I say, you go over there and I pray justice, but
America, petite. But that one me shot me and Tanya mother. Because a lot of time I go from people and think to me and Tanya mother. You understand?
Tanya mother, the bitch baby know what she talking about.
No, Tanya,
talk your mother about Tanya mother. You don't even know what you're talking. You move your dirty blood.
No, tiny Fretdem.
Move your dirty blood clot and quench it.
Yeah, come and say, when it's first time in the life, as me say, I was over Candy, and me I said, then, oh, yeah, say, me for done, pussy done, but yet still, you're there for the life, and the ape, I remember the ape rub you, you know. The ape was on pussy live in our pit, running in Amanda White hole. You know who we call Love Sanders, the ape, tell her the ape. Up on top of it, if you click, well, what me I tell you, and if you click on it, you know whether to buy you running and have sex with the baby. So you are say justice. You come for my life. Lady Frenchie. You are with me for my life.
I tell you where you're pan.
How you know you don't comment, but I ask you something. You ever see no PH come on in a push pin them name? Love Sanders kids them name. Remember we have them kids. Never, no PH. Oh, come on and say, push start a mother now, do your fuck out, mother now, or whatever, no nasty PH. But you still you talk to her, but you wasn't fear, Frenchie. You wasn't fear. You wasn't fear, Frenchie. You wasn't fear because
you wasn't fear. Tell you to stop in an argument with that girl.
You have to speak justice.
Can't believe this. When come here talk to her, and she said she called me and said she was getting some Bible, and I said to her, alright, when we don't know come over there, but I never come over there, but in the night when they apartment, you know, to the place hot. I saw me in the over there, come in the farm pool alive, I'm in the farm push live.
Yeah.
One day I'm tell the truth, but they don't never call Tanya and tell Tanya, Lord Tanya, you know so good, yeah man, done it. I remember when two sons calling them and the whole of them.
Yeah. How I do the baboon, your man, the cartoon, your man. How I do the baboon, your man, the cartoon, your man. What she said to my sister don't make no sense. How I do the baboon. How I do the baboon, yeah man, the cartoon, yeah man. How I mean I just a big one. How I mean I just a big one. How I do the baboon. How I do the baboon, yeah man, the cartoon, yeah man. How I mean I just a big one. How I mean I just a big one. Twenty go dive in your mother and in a post go back flip up in your mother. How about the baboon? How about the baboon? How about the baboon? Your man, the cartoon,
Me both the crack, what's the song?
Woman, not some walk. We don't want blood clot here, so we are going to
right.
Woman, not some walk. How about the baboon?
Official, you miss Nuff.
Woman, not some walk. Woman, not some walk. Woman, not some walk. How you together?
I got social worker upon me.
I said the social worker them said,
oh, me are running a fucking
Fretdem of our own
the
song
children
to
them were
Rass.
tested. None of them not getting sexually molested. She called police to do this to her. You know when she stopped?
Upon Tanya when she
the
there.
social worker them and the police come together and she have to sign something.
Lord, it's too much to explain, official, Lord. The earpack I say, one of our friend them dead, and not go so. So we met the friend Babylee were about and Scrubber. And the people are play hypocrite and I play both sides, and that's why Tanya I tell Lady Frenchie say she wrong.
Yeah, California. Listen.
No, son.
Listen. Lady Frenchie, I bet you never do that because when you go up on the live, you're going to say to her, the kids them, you know that your blood clot says stay. Puss rub me baby them eye yesterday over there stay. The father fuck them and a different two now. Rallying mother tell her stay. Rallying a fuck him own kids. You hear the nasty things them and then when you ask her in a hypocritical way. Because you never say, oh the kids, if you look for blood clot post. No, Lady Frenchie.
She shouldn't have said nothing. She shouldn't have said nothing.
No, Frenchie, me not talk about you laughing. That's your personality, I am saying. When you talk to puss about the kids, you know can you see for yourself. But you don't already make your name call because you went on there and you're playing a hypocrite. You are playing a hypocrite and you're acting like it's me troubling puss. Or me a post of kids, puss children them. When every blood clot there, the woman rub me and my kids. No, puss are your friend. My audio sister. My audio. Exactly. She don't. Remember saying no, she a push down for her phone, so in the end of the day, me don't want nobody pick up for me. They never come and you never say me would adjust because you come from my life and I say you always. But when me hear it, I'm watch it, I'm see. Yes, I said you. I said you because you were being hypocrite. Sister, what now? I don't mean black you. Me not black you. Fretdem black you. Sister, me don't know why now go Fretdem. Who come on now?
Me.
Sister, me don't know how you now come on.